we're here today with Kirsten.
Yes.
And Betty the dog.
And Betty. And so she'll be, acting weird. And she won't shake.
We got to get you back on the comedy circuit. Doggy our best.
Yeah, love that. Good girl. And then she came across a profile and she was like, ooh, this guy's cute. And she shows it to me. And I almost backflipped out of the couch laughing because it was you, Dr. Doug Willen.
I just made a new online course called How to Massage Your Own Dog. Why are you wearing a hat called Boss Bitch? Which I'm okay with it.
Well, yeah, it's me and the dog, right? Yeah. So, I produce a stand-up comedy show called The Boss Bitch Show.
Okay, see, there was a reason.
There is a shameless self-promotion.
So the name of your act or your show is called The Boss Bitch?
The Boss Bitch Show, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now if people want to find you on Instagram or other social media, what would that be?
It's at Boss Bitch Show on Instagram and TikTok. And that's where you can find us.
All right. Is there any videos that they can watch of some of the acts?
Yes.
Would that be YouTube?
They can watch some of my stuff at Kizzyko, Kizzyko, and at KizzyOB on TikTok.
First of all, how long have I known you?
Oh my gosh, over a decade. Dr. Doug used to work on me when I was dancing professionally. So I performed a lot in Atlantic City. More like commercial type dancing cabaret shows, burlesque, and stuff like that. Yeah. Well, Rachel and I are not only business partners and fellow comedians, but we're best friends. And we were going through her dating apps. We were swiping through, which was so funny. And then she came across a profile and she was like, ooh, this guy's cute. And she shows it to me. And I almost backflipped out of the couch laughing because it was you, Dr. Doug Willen. And I was like, that's my old chiropractor.
There you go.
And then we Googled you and we discovered your YouTube show, Dr. Doug Animal Cracker. And we had the privilege of watching you adjusting a very large sow. And it was so funny. There were a lot of pig noises. There was a lot of snorting.
By me or the pig?
The pig and us, we were snorting, laughing. It was so great.
So that's how we came about, and then you thought maybe Betty should come in.
Yes, little Betty.
Did Betty watch the pig
Betty was there.
adjustments?
Betty was there, actually.
Was Betty
She loves Fire Island.
as buzzed as you guys were that day?
I try to keep her, off those things. Only dog treats. Right?
All right, that's good. That's
yeah.
Good. All right, so what would be the goal with Betty today?
I don't know exactly what happened. I was in the shower. I heard a yelp. And then she was like shaking and clearly in a lot of pain. And I took her to an emergency vet and they were like, well, we're not going to do x-rays, but we see this a lot. It seems like she may have slipped a disc in her upper thoracic spine. Mm-hmm. She did a couple weeks of crate rest, anti-inflammatories, and she was okay. But now every once in a while, she doesn't want to walk. She'll stop. And I can tell she's in pain from her behavior because she's a very energetic, playful dog. Mm-hmm. And so she'll be, acting weird, and then, and then she won't shake. So I can tell it's something here because she'll stop herself.
So it's affected her walking, and does she wince sometimes when you touch her back?
Yeah.
Do you know the spot?
It's right up here.
Okay, she's pointing at the upper thoracics.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get Betty up here.
Okay, Betty. I know. Don't.
Betty wants to run around. Hi, Betty.
Hi, sweet angel.
All right, Betty. Girl. We got to get you back on the comedy circuit.
I know.
You're not feeling your best. Has she been booking less gigs?
Yeah, you know, people don't want the liability.
Right.
You know.
And
Look at her sad face.
do you think I can work with you today? I'd like to ask. How do you feel about me
Consent, that's
working?
good.
Good. Consent is good.
I think we got a yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now that we have a little bit of a consent,
Yes.
let's start to look. I might have her. Let me come around to the other. Actually, this way.
Okay.
Because this area on a horse and a dog is the withers. So I'm going to start up at the neck and work down.
Okay.
So, do you think there's a high likelihood that she'll bite me?
She's never done that.
Okay.
So
Let's don't be
she's
the
very
first.
good at the vets as well.
All right. Let's check your neck rotation.
It's okay, honey.
Let's take it this way. And
Good
let's
girl.
Take it this way. Oh, hi. How are you?
Good girl.
And let's go up. Oh, you're showing off now. And let's come down this way. Good. So we have some good range of motion, flexion, extension, left, right, lateral flexion. And now I'm here up at the atlas.
Mm-hmm.
And the atlas on the number one top bone or the C1 bone, first cervical on a dog, and really all quadrupeds are very wide.
It's okay, honey.
And so ours are like little nubs here, but they have wings. Theirs really jut out.
Oh.
Here I can show you on this plastic leg. So do you see this comes out just like little wings?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And I look at the spacing in between here, and sometimes I pull these down and create the space to be balanced. So I'm up here at the wing of the atlas, those wings,
Good girl.
and I'm feeling a little on the left side, so I'm gonna laterally flex. I'm gonna just flick it for you, okay?
Girl.
No, I didn't get it.
Good girl. It's okay. Good girl.
Oh, good, I got it.
Good.
Now, they didn't make a big pop,
Yeah.
but it's a good one because it created the space that I wanted. So now I'm gonna massage a little bit.
Good girl.
And now we're in the withers, which is approximately T3 through T8. And I can feel the fixated spot here at T4.
Right.
So this is where you did it. That's your bad spot. So you probably don't want a saddle on your back anymore. When horses have this spot, it's the saddle sits just below it, but they can get a lot of irritation there. And they can also, horses can get it all the way through because they also, a lot of times, are holding a rider. You don't have anybody on your back though, do you?
No.
Okay, so now I'm going to adjust this one.
Okay.
And I'm going to come around because I want to get it with my right hand. And this is the one that she got stuck. She's like, what are you going to do to me?
It's okay, honey.
I have to get her off of her weight.
Yeah.
So I'm going to pick her up.
Yeah. Ooh,
Did you hear that?
I did. Good girl. Good girl.
That was a pop. Here's another one at
Good girl.
T13.
Good girl.
And here's another one at L3. No, didn't get it. Sorry, you can hold her face.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check the legs next. There, it's coming up. Doing a little doggy our best.
Yeah, love that. Now they say this particular type of dog has issues with patellar, like their knee.
Yeah,
gets
so
out
it's
of
called a
joint.
hypermobile patella.
Uh-huh.
So we can check on that today. That's her knee right there. These are pretty intact. What you do with the little dogs that have the hypermobile patella is you don't encourage them to jump up on their back. On their meaning you don't want them to jump.
Oh, she does.
So some people do that with food, or when you come home, they want to jump up and say hello. So it's better to get down low and keep them down and not let them jump up, because that will exacerbate that misaligned patella.
Good to know.
I want to do a little bit more with this adjusting instrument.
Yeah. Good girl, you did so good.
So this is really soft. Feel how soft it is. So I'm going to come into the withers here.
Good. You're doing so good.
And just do a little bit more in here.
Does that feel good?
And I'm going to come up again through here.
Good girl.
So this is a percussive instrument, and it literally taps and moves the bone a little bit. Now I'm going to do a little hold on the tail. So I'm not going to yank it.
Yeah.
I'm just going to stretch at the base.
Good girl, honey. Little tail stretch.
So I created this course this year called How to Massage Your Dog.
Oh, great.
It's 3.5 hours, and it teaches people. Well, it's a 15 chapter course,
Oh,
so it's
okay.
like
Okay.
it's not like a 3.5 hours you have to watch. Like the last 5 chapters are just full sessions with dogs,
Oh,
from
great.
a teacup dog all the way up to a Great Dane.
Oh, wow.
But it teaches how to work on the head and neck, and the
Aw.
shoulders, and the hips, and the legs, and the chest, and you can
Yeah.
jump around.
I would
It's
love
not-
to.
Yeah, so it's the website is howtomassageyourdog.com.
I love that.
And I'm plugging that for myself right now.
Yeah. It's your channel.
You got to plug
You
your
do all the
you got to
plugs.
plug your stuff. I wanted to plug my stuff.
You gotta.
All right, there we go. Let me see if there's any I missed. There's one there.
Good girl.
Let's see if she
honey.
wants to shake it out. So let's
Okay.
put her down on the ground and don't touch her till she has a chance to like integrate.
Good girl. Yeah,
That's what
right
we want.
away.
That's what
Good.
we want.
Okay,
Good.
she loves to do this little trick.
But in a way, that's not so bad because she's
Because
not
she's
bouncing.
sitting?
Yeah, she
Yeah.
did like a deep squat.
Hi, honey.
So how about a little adjustment on you?
Oh, I would love that.
So lie on your back.
Don't mind if I
There's
do.
Dog hair here.
I'm used to being covered in dog hair.
Now I haven't adjusted you in probably 3 or 4 years,
I know,
right?
right?
So here you have a little bit of a left atlas too.
Ooh.
How was that?
You know how they say dogs imitate their humans?
Yes. We both like it.
Oh, that was great.
Wow.
Yay.
Scoot down this way a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Keep coming. All right, now I'm going to reach under you
Okay.
and adjust into here. A little tight on the thoracic. So you finally got a little thoracic.
Yeah.
You didn't have the withers though.
No,
So
no
lie on your
withers
side.
for me.
No, it was just the lower
Which side?
thoracic.
Which side?
Face me.
Okay.
So this is just a little mini, but
Oh, yeah.
why not, right?
Love it.
One more. That's
Oh.
the big one.
That was a good one.
Good. So come to the other side. Did you hear that, Betty?
Yeah.
That was a good one. I guess I didn't ask you for consent. Well, I did. I said,
I
would you,
said yes.
Would you like an
I
adjustment?
said I would love that.
So all you kids watching, I did ask her. Good. There's
Yeah.
2 more on that side.
Great.
So come stand and face me, and I'm going to just check your wrist too.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh.
Good. That's it. Those are fine.
Wow.
How was that?
That was great.
Good.
That was awesome.
All right. Thank you, everybody.
Love it.
Leave Betty a comment. Check out Kirsten's social media platform.
Yeah.
And come visit her at the club if you're in New
Yeah.
York City.
Come to the Boss Fit show.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye. Good girl. Good.
Rotation.
It's okay, honey.
Just take it this way. And
Good
let's take it
girl.
this way. Oh, hi. How are you?
Good girl.